Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Sahara AI wallet address on Binance. As you know, Sahara will get list on Binance when I record this video. It will list in 21 minutes. But you can, deposit it, and I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then you can see there is add funds. You can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then you can search Sahara. Click this one, and you can choose the chain. I will choose BNB Smart Chain, and this is your Sahara wallet address. You can copy it or scan it, and then you can deposit your Sahara from your wallet to your Binance account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.